welcome back to UBA YouTube channel. Back to me again. Don't be bored. I'm Michael. I will make sure that you won't forget about me, okay?
So I'm Angelina.
Oh, she's gonna be the host. She's taking over my job. Okay. Hi, Miss Angelina. Should I say you, Miss? How old are you actually? Because you look so young. 22, dude. 3 years younger than me. Oh my god. Okay. So I'm not gonna call her as a miss, okay? So, okay, Angelina, what you've been doing currently?
I'm an entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
Yeah, doing.
Since when?
Since 6 years ago.
6 years ago.
Yeah.
6 years ago, 22 means that you start your business
Around 17.
17.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So what you doing currently for about your business itself? You're doing some kind of. I heard that you're doing some amulet or pendant.
Yeah, amulet. Yeah, I'm doing amulet.
Amulet and pendants. Okay. So we're gonna ask you some question about the dual EMBA workshop. But first, I'm gonna ask you about how you get to know about UBA.
Introduced by my friends, which is Dr. Sherry Francis.
Oh, wow. Okay, so finally, why you decide to take or join this program?
Because the program duration is very short, it's easier for me to attend the course, and then I feel like the EMBA is very useful for my business in the future, so I plan to attend.
Okay. Definitely, youngster nowadays they really want something like flexible, right?
Yeah.
And then short. Okay. So let's talk about the dual EMBA workshop. Please mention 3 unforgettable things that you've gained from this workshop.
Okay, start from yesterday. The sentence that I couldn't forget is influence the people, involve them.
Oh, okay.
Until now, I still remind myself.
Okay.
I think it's very useful for me.
So the second one?
The second one, I learned how to be a leader, to lead my team. So I'm going to have my plan to lead my team become bigger and bigger. The last one, I think, is core values.
Values.
Yeah, I never know that core values is so important to us as an entrepreneur, but now I know.
That's great. And then the last question that I'm gonna ask is from 1 to 10, which score that you will give for this dual EMBA workshop?
Of course, it's 10. It's excellent.
Yeah. So meaning that if we are gonna have a upcoming workshop, would you join?
I will join.
Whoa,
Definitely will join.
You promise, yeah?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go for karaoke.
Okay.
Okay, so that's all for the dual EMBA workshop, and thank you so much for being able to do the interview with me, Angelina. And then I hope that you can apply all the things that you've gained and learned from this workshop.
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Thank you so much. So that's all, guys, for today. And don't forget to click the red button, subscribe, like, comment, and even share to your friends. Okay? So see you on the next video. Bye bye.